Hey guys, Houston Math Prep here. Our next graphical display for frequency distributions is scatter plots. So scatter plots are going to be different than the others in that scatter plots, while they do work only with quantitative data, instead of showing the shape of the distribution in bars or lines like we've had with histograms and frequency polygons, or even our stem and leaf or dot plot, what scatter plots aim to do is they show a relationship, or actually they can also show a lack of relationship between two categories. So what we have is we have linked data. So for example, if we look at the one on our screen, we have a scatter plot of ice cream sales. So here we are relating the temperature in degrees Celsius with the dollar amount of sales of ice cream. And what we're looking for with a scatter plot is a potential for a relationship. In this particular case, we can see that it seems like as the temperature increases, so do the sale of ice cream, which would make sense, right? When do we tend to want ice cream? When it's warmer outside. So that's what a scatter plot is going to look for. Now, small caveat, we are going to discover how to create scatter plots, how to analyze them much more later on in the course, but what we're going to look at now is just creating a simple version. As with most of our other graphical displays, scatter plots need a title, they need axis labels, they need scales for both your horizontal and your vertical axis, and then each dot here represents a pair of items. So this says when you have a temperature of, I don't know, maybe that's about 12 degrees, you expect to have about maybe $180 in sales. So each point on our graph represents that related bit of data. All right, we'll catch you in the example videos next.